I have been making some crazy money with this new algorithm. Guys, I'm going to show you what it is, and there is a link down below. You can hit that at any point through this video where I can give you some advice on how to configure this algorithm to your account. Now, guys, it's insane, but please always know I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy that uses this algorithm bot, and it's making me money. So let me show you, because I want to be fully transparent. I might review this every single day, in fact, to show you how incredible this is, because what's the point in me making money if I can't tell my audience to do it too? So guys, let's have a look at this. Okay, so inside of Cornix, you can choose hundreds of thousands of different bots, but I found the perfect one. I've spoken to the developer, and I found the correct configuration of how this can make us money. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. So on this dashboard right now, you can see some of my trades, all right? Some of these trades that are going on, these are open. This is my actual account. Let me explain to you what is going on in here, right? So if I click on this right now, it's going to bring up my account for you. Just like this. You see this on the left-hand side, okay? On the left-hand side, guys, all right, this is my chart. This is what has been going on. I'm going to show you what's happened over the week. I start at $5,000, which I put in, okay? And look, I'm fully transparent here. I'm showing you there is losses, there is wins. Majority of them do win. Okay, this was a loss, and they'll go up. And guys, it's up and down just like trading. This isn't one of them videos where I'm going to show you if you put money in right now, you're going to make 100% every day guaranteed. All right, this loses, this wins, but the majority of the time it wins. I'm going to tell you how that works. If you want to look at my trades to make sure this is legit, all right, these are my open trades that have gone through, or the profit that we've made. Okay, I'll actually show you the dates as well. Guys, I'm so excited about this. See, red, there is some losses, there is some wins, some big wins. Okay, and you can see the different ones starting on 26th of February. So guys, it's super, super easy. If I go to my accounts in this side, you can see the total right now is 5,636. How incredible is that? Guys, I've made $636 in a week. Imagine what you could make. It's insane, all right? And guys, again, it shows you the full transparent here. How does this work? How it works is it's an aggressive configured martingale strategy. So as a trade goes in, so if we go back to the dashboard, you can see how many amount in open trades, 512. The profit and loss right now in trades is 206. Potential profit could be 1,456 if they all hit the top, all right? How this works is, again, let me go to my account and show you this trades guide. I'm so excited about this. That's why I'm running around it. Okay, if I go to this and go to my open trades, you'll see they put a trade on. So RDNT, you can see this one right here on here, all right? They put a trade on, and as martingale works, as the trade is going down or up, they will then re-enter the trade. Okay, what does that mean? Let me click on this. Okay, so you can see these trades here. They will enter the trade or whatever the price is, okay, and then we'll take their next stop. So go through this. This is like a roadmap of how the trade works, all right? The trade was opened at 0.3692. The entry one that we placed was 0.3689 because the trade started to move. Then we fulfilled all these different profits because we're still going in. If the trend is still moving, we're still going to take profit on the way up. You can see these. So our next take profit number 4 will be an extra 1.8%. We could stop right now on this trade and be in profit. Okay, we could be $18 in profit, 147% in profit, but we're still going. And I love that about this algorithm. The only way you could do this, guys, is hitting that link down below, all right, because you need to configure the account correctly. If you don't, you could be risk of losing all your money. So hit that link down below, get involved right now. I'll be back tomorrow and show you these results. They're incredible. I want to share it with you. I hope it helps. Get that like button hit that subscribe button, hit the bell every single day. It's going to notify you when I update you. Hit the link down below for completely free and just find out, guys. I'll see you in the chat.